They say what God cannot do does not exist. This video will shock you. And this video you were about to watch, it will make you understand that nobody on this earth is above the law. Even when you escape the law in your own place, in your own nation, you cannot escape the law outside there because you will be caught. Nnamdi Kanu's release negotiations have dismantled ASO Rock Stronghold. While Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer celebrates, the federal government faces global trial. Interesting. This is victory for Kanu. The federal government is in big trouble. Breaking news from Abuja. The federal government's grip on Kanu case is beginning to crumble. Fresh insider leaks have confirmed that high-level negotiations for Kanu's release have sent a shockwave through ASO Rock. So this is really getting interesting, my people. Negotiations for Kanu's release have sent shockwave through ASO Rock. This is not just about a court ruling. This is about international pressure on President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that could drag Nigeria into a global trial. Reports reaching our newsroom indicate that Kanu's legal team, backed by influential international human rights lawyers, have successfully opened a direct negotiation channel with top government representatives. According to sources inside the presidency, these talks have dismantled ASO Rock long-standing legal stronghold, exposing weakness in the federal government's strategy to keep Nnamdi Kanu detained. One senior lawyer from Kanu's defense team, speaking under anonymity, revealed, "This is beyond the Nigerian courts. Now, the world is watching. We have evidence and international support that the federal government cannot ignore." Now, you may be asking, why the federal government is in trouble? Number one, United Nations Human Rights Council has officially reviewed petitions about Kanu's arrest and detention, citing possible violation of international law. Two, global legal bodies, including top British and American lawyer firms, have signed or signaled readiness to back Kanu's defense if the federal government refuses a peaceful resolution. Three, the International Criminal Court, that is ICC, is reportedly revealing preliminary evidence of human rights abuses connected to the Biafra movement crackdown. Now, lawyers, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyers were seen having a late night strategy meeting in Abuja, visibly in high spirits, exchanging handshakes and even popping champions behind a closed doors. Their confidence stems from the government's sudden shift from a hardline stance to negotiations table, a move they see as a silent admission of defeat. Analysts warn that if Nigeria refuses to release Kanu in line with the emerging agreements, the matter could escalate into a full-blown international trial, something that could not only embarrasses the country globally, but also spark unprecedented political consequences at home. For now, the world waits. Will the federal government bow to local and international pressure and release Nnamdi Kanu? Or will this end up as Nigerians' most embarrassing legal defeat on the global stage? So guys, stay tuned because this storm is far from ever. This one at Prospect Channels TV. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, make it go viral so that Nigerians could understand how the matter they be. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.